Hatu ke jingja hamukro aka arpati untuk menai kalau penselur bala penang bak sisa yo konrak sangma metrin bak kejela. Kei bangili asngau na ke jingkran jong metrin bak mentaka sengi. Kapan pau bak metrin bak una penjam syu aka asam. Haka jalan bagi nak khabar mentaka sengi hadim balawai ke jalan jong ke kenhun menteri ukon rak sangma ula ong bak jingïaishah kadon la uput. Baru ula ong ru bakalong ka besuk wan hukum yiki pulit bak siat yiki briew. Wala nak kaliang jog baru jisim bak jingïaishah bat ka jia keren jisu jumbur kelong kalenti bat poi ka jingïaishah. Umentri nang bak ulapan pauru baki ege belajar hakini ki sitio kilong ki jingja ki belajar siapa palat put.
Anybody could make any statements. I think at the end of the day, if we're able to resolve the situation by me being more patient, then I feel that that is a better way to move forward. But having said that, I've been very clear with everybody that there will always be a line that we will draw. There will always be a limit to which things can go. And as I said in the past, in this last 1 week, there were some incidents that went beyond certain areas and certain limits, which cannot be accepted. And hence, firm action will be taken against those. But in the larger interest, it's important to see that as a society, we're able to move forward, as a state, we're able to move forward. And hence, people can say many things, but as I said, for me, I see the larger picture, the larger goal, and I would like to see that we're able to resolve the situation rather than making it more complicated. And it's always much easier to order the forces to fire guns and bullets and beat up people and actually listen, resolve, have dialogue and talk. So this is the way I see this. Well, I can only say this. It is easier to give an order to shoot people and to use force. Let me tell you that very, very frankly. It's very easy. It is more difficult to understand and have the patience to listen, to resolve, and to keep the larger interests while so much noise is being, put up everywhere. So people can look at it from whatever way they wish. I have no problem with that. For me, I always keep my clear, vision and my clear thought in mind. And for me, peace and tranquility in the state, the safety of our citizens, the overall growth of our state is paramount for me. And hence in this situation, yes, there are challenges. We could look at it and work in whatever